Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to open your favorite messages app right from your iPhone lock screen. Apple has just launched a pretty cool shortcut action that allows you to open a specific conversation in the messages app. This means that it is now possible to open a chat thread with someone important to you straight from your iPhone lock screen. That's it. Let's get started. So first and foremost, you have to create your shortcut action. To do so, you have to launch the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. And then you have to tap the plus button in the top right corner of the app. Then you have to start typing open conversation in the search actions input field. Then you have to select the action in the results. Then you have to tap conversation in blue. And then you have to select the messages conversation you want from the drop-down menu. Then you have to hit the done button to finish. And now you have to add the shortcut to your iPhone lock screen. To do so, you have to long press your lock screen and hit the customize button on the lock screen you want to use. And then you have to tap the lock screen again. Then you have to tap the minus symbol on one of the bottom buttons to remove the existing control. After that, you have to tap the plus symbol that replaces it. Then you have to select the shortcut from the controls menu. After that, you have to tap choose in blue, and then you have to select open conversation from the shortcuts menu. And finally, you have to hit the done button on the lock screen, customize screen to finish, and that's about it. From now onward, you can easily open your favorite messages chat right from your iPhone lock screen. Just like this. Super handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.